Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see who you have blocked on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Just like any social media platform, Instagram has a blocking feature that prevents accounts from finding your profile, story, or post. There are myriad reasons why you might block someone, but they all get compiled onto a single list where they're out of sight and out of mind. So once you have forgotten them, how you can find them again if you decide you want to unblock them? It's a simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can just go to your profile, tap on your profile, tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can just scroll down and on we can see your content section. There is an option block. You can just tap on that. So here's all the account that you have blocked on your Instagram. And if you want to unblock them, you can just tap on unblock. So that is how to see how to find who you have blocked on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.